Hello everyone, we're grateful to have you with us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, walking around a 2014 Jeep Wrangler Sport. This one has low miles, only 52,000. It also has four-wheel drive and a removable hardtop. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below. What do you think about our Jeep Wrangler? Also, don't forget to smash that bell. That'll keep you up to date with our inventory by letting you know about these walkarounds as they're made. If you'd like to see 100 high-definition photos and a detailed vehicle description, go to TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. We do this to show you the things that will not show up in those 100 photos. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Jeep, so let's go ahead and start the walk around. Okay, we are here walking around the Jeep. As you can see, there's still good tread left on these tires. This Jeep is 9 years old, so there are a couple little cosmetic things like some of the love bug marks here in this front grille. Once you back up, you can't see them. But for a 9-year-old Jeep with 52,000 miles, I'd say this is definitely above average condition. Walking around, there's no dents, dings, heavy scratches of any kind. No oxidation, clear coat's in great shape. As you can see on the top here, it is also in fantastic condition. Let's go ahead and look at the interior, shall we? All right, showing you what doesn't show up in our photos, which is this side of the visors, a headliner if it had one, and the top of the dash. All in fantastic condition. Now, if you have any questions about the interior or exterior condition, you can call Jennifer. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Don't forget to stay tuned to hear the engine running, and hopefully you'll join us for our next walk around.